this is just a curiosity. These plants, there's no disease. The animals are really struggling with the drought, so they're eating my collard greens, the leaves. Animals that don't normally like collard greens this year have decided they don't like starving, and they're eating everything down all the way to the stem here, and the plant's fighting to produce more food. So I hope this drought's over so there can be more food for these critters. Yeah, because it's pretty tough times. They've discovered collard greens, and they figure if they're here, they're not going to starve. Yeah. Anything in the cabbage family. But you see, they weren't eating it this much, but I guess the plant can't grow as fast as they want. So they've been eating all the new growth. Something to see. But we all got to make it through this drought. We all got to make it through. I lost one of my collard greens, and I can't plant these. These are transplant only. They don't grow from seed in my area, because we don't get enough chill hours for them to ever make seed. But you can't plant this. It won't make a new plant. So I've just got to hope that they find some other food. Yeah. Oh my goodness. But you know what? Thank God I grow some food so that the wildlife can survive, because my garden can't survive without the wildlife either. I need the wildlife. Yeah.